Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from ThruNite. Now this here is their Ti Keychain Light. Now I was sent this directly from ThruNite. They wanted me to test and review it, feature it here on my channel. I've done many reviews over the years for them. Comes in this box. Let's wait no further. Let's open it up, see what's in. Yeah, these darn things can be a bugger. Not having too much luck here. Gonna have to dig at it. There we go. Start off here with the user manual. I've always liked ThruNite. They list multi-languages, front and back. Sometimes there's more than one, but this is Keychain Light here. Try to get it folded where we can see it. This light puts out 650 lumens. It's the highest output. Hopefully you can read those. It's a lot of lumens coming out of a little keychain light. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause screen. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get moving along here. One USB Type-C charging cable. One key ring, and you got an extra battery charging port cover, that is. And here's the light. Let's go ahead and get this out of here. Now I guess I was kind of reading this wrong. I thought maybe it was titanium, but this is, I guess Ti is short for tiny. But in any case, it's nice. Strong magnet on that tail, it's not going anywhere. Nice to be able to hands-free that. I do that all the time. Let's go ahead and take a look here at the light. There it is. Tiny little wonder of light. Now there is a two-way clip here, so if you do want to wear it on your baseball cap, you can do so. I'm not too sure it has a 704. I've seen this before on another flashlight. It's got the key ring here. You can put it in there real easily. It's got a semi-gloss finish. Style design on this is nice. Let's go ahead and take a look here at the LED. Now they don't say what LED they're using in here, but special optics there, as you can see. And the machining and finish on this is nice. I've been doing reviews for ThruNite for many years. I'm going to go ahead and take out the key ring and put it on. Hopefully it's a one-time. I get it the first time. This one here is a little bit more flexible. And there you go. Every day carry this with your keys. Alright, well normally I would take it out and show you the battery and everything, but this is a sealed unit, So now let's go ahead and go through the UI. UI is pretty straightforward. You can press down and hold, of course, to use it momentary. Now if you want the light to stay on, you're going to double click, and now it will stay on. See, it needs to be charged. That's yellow. It should be green. Right out of the box I need to charge it, so it's no big deal. I'll do that before I head out there. That's the lowest setting. Look at that. Let's go ahead and show you the beam here. It's got a nice large hotspot. Spill just tapers off. "650 lumens is a lot of light. 10-15 years ago, this would have been a big light. And now it's not any bigger than your thumb. So now let's go ahead and double click this, turn it back on. Now we're going to triple click. We'll get you strobe. And that is a constant rate on the flash, which is distracting. Click that one time, shuts it off. That's at the full light output on that strobe. Again, you can use it. I'm going to need to charge this up before we go out there. Impressive beam, especially for this size of light. Super low light output on that. Press and hold, shuts it off, and that's all there is to this light. Pretty straightforward. The power switch is kind of like indented a little bit there, as you can see. Make it a little bit harder for your keys to accidentally turn it on. But if you do sit down and your keys push on it, it will come on in your pocket, so be careful. Nice rugged construction on here. I'm not seeing any issues. Key ring's a little bit thin. I have some other ones, but I'll try this one out. Alright, well, let's wait no further. Let's take this ThruNite Ti out. See how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the little ThruNite Ti, short for tiny. We're going to go ahead and turn it on here. Whoops. Forgot to double click. It is on the lowest output. Moonlight. So that's a pretty good range. This light output. We're going to go up to the next level. Nice little jump. Again, it's got some decent spill. It's a large hotspot on this. You see there. Now I have a link below my video and all my testing area here. Should you have any questions or doubts, check it out. Let's go to the next level here. Nice even UI spacing. And it is making 138 feet there. Let's go to the next level here. I believe it's the highest output. Look at that. This is what regular flashlights 10 years ago were doing. And this is just a little tiny light. Pan around here. Look at that. That's amazing. Large hotspot on here. Yeah, you probably got about 155 feet. Let's do a beam profile here. Impressive. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Impressive beam performance on here. Now I did have to charge it before I went out there. It was a little on the low side. And of course, the battery doesn't take very long to charge up. I think it's under 400 milliamp, so it should be plenty of power. Now of course, 650 lumens, this thing is going to get pretty warm, and the battery's not going to last as long. But low and medium, quite a bit of light coming out of this little thing. So it's impressive. I like the fact that it USB rechargeable, of course, is always a plus. Now the two-way clip might come in handy if you do want to just strap it onto your baseball cap. You can do so, or clip it onto your shirt, carry it with your keys. You can hands-free this as well. I don't think it's strong enough to hold your keys up there, but by itself can easily place it on something. In an emergency, you've got to change a tire on your car, stick that to the metal, point it to wherever you need it. You've got it in a moment's notice. The UI is very simple, straightforward. Press and hold it when you want it momentarily. That's mainly what I do with keychain lights anyways. There's momentary, need something. Rarely do I use it to where I need to go through the levels, but you have it if you need it here as well. LED is impressive. The Ti, I thought it was a titanium, but it is not. This is definitely stands for tiny, which it is. A tiny wonder of light. Nice build quality overall, not seeing any issues. Okay, well, I want to thank ThruNite for sending me this Ti to review. Now, if this Ti is something you're interested in getting, remember, it comes with everything you need. I will leave a link down below the video. I believe it's going to be to their Amazon store. If not, it'll be to their main website. Either way, I'm working on a special discount code. If I get that, it'll be there, and that'll help save some money on this Keychain Light, just in case you're interested. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these little keychain lights from ThruNite to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.